The Cadillac Series 62, originally known as the Series 40 to 62, was produced from 1940 to 1964, becoming one of the most recognizable luxury cars of its era. Designed to complement the entry-level Series 61, it evolved over time and, in 1959, was renamed the Series 6200. By 1959, DeVille's and two-door Eldorados moved into their own series, though they shared the same impressive 130-inch wheelbase. The brand became famous for its dramatic tail fins and dual bullet tail lights. Distinctive rooflines, jewel-like grille patterns, and elegant deck lid panels define the bold look of the late 1950s. Straight body moldings and crest medallions set the Series 62 apart. Under the hood, a 390 cubic inch V8 delivered a confident 325 horsepower. Inside, luxury was standard power steering and brakes, automatic transmission, power windows on convertibles, and refined interior details throughout. The Series 62 wasn't just a car. It was a symbol of American optimism, innovation, and unmistakable style.